Target Trading Academy.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Dan O'Brien with Target Trading Academy, and I'm doing this video for you for trades that were submitted to me actually on Wednesday, and I'm recording this Thursday. So we have trades that were sent in from Lyle, Kathleen, Ed, Steve, Curtis, and Mick for a total of 9 trades, 7 winners, 2 losses, and no break-evens. We'll get started with Lyle. Alright, the first trade here is Lyle, and it was a short in the ES on the sim for a loss. Now, as I discussed this with him and others in the trading room, I said that this is a perfect setup, and it just, perfect setups are just not always going to win, and unfortunately that's what happened here. It was a loss, but we had everything working for him at the entry. And so that is this resistance level here, which comes from market profile. The estimations were for a lower move, and it did go lower for a bit, but there was no continuation, and the indicators were in the right spot, so everything looked good, but it was just bad timing. So that was a loss, and then we'll move on to Kathleen. Kathleen had a short here at 10.06 for a winner. And then we have one screenshot here from Ed. There were 4 trades on here using the Ninja platform. He short for a winner, and that was at 11.47. Then a long at 12.05 for a winner, and then a long at 12.27 for another big winner, and a long at 12.53 for another nice reversal winner there. Okay, the next trade here is from Steve. We have a long above a resistance level and some follow through there, so that was a long at 13.02 in the ES for a winner. Then we have a live trade here from Curtis, and it was roughly break even, but it was a small loss in the micro ES, so I marked that down as a loss. And then the last trade here is late, a little bit late to the party in this run, but it was still a winner from Mick. Good job. And I really like the exits. So what he noticed here was that when this algorithm down here on the bottom, this indicator, gets to the upper end of the green zone, that usually means that that trend is over, or really, really close to being over, and that's exactly what happened. So he wound up getting in and noticing that it's probably over, bailed on the trade, and that was it. That was the high. So good job there, Mick. Okay, that was quick. So once again, we had 9 total trades, 7 winners, 2 losses, and no break-even trades. So if you'd like to know how our students are getting this done, and you'd like to join the current students where they swear by their indicators and not at them, just contact us via our Facebook page or our website. We'd be happy to talk to you. All right, take care until the next video. Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Dan O'Brien with Target Trading Academy, and I'm doing this video for you today on Thursday, March 3rd, from of course, the trade submissions that were sent to me by our students who are using the Carnac trading technologies and its algorithms. So we have some trades from Ron and Steve, Tom, Kathleen, and Paul. And that's it, but we had a lot of trades, 17 total individual trades in several different markets, 15 winners, 2 losses, and no break-evens. We'll get started with Ron. Okay, the first trade today was a short NASDAQ at 9:49 Eastern. You can see the times are different here. Ron's trading out of California. So there's a short NASDAQ in his live account for a winner, and I think it was roughly $870 on that win, again in the big NASDAQ. And then another short by Ron in the NASDAQ at 11:14 Eastern for an additional $340. So nice trade in there for about $1,200 in your live account. Next up we have Steve with a couple of trades here. He has 3 total, but 2 on this screen where they're both losses. You can see the first one's at 15.37, and then the second one at 15.44, where he was unfortunately late to the party on both of them, the second one being a little too close to support. But an earlier trade that he did was a good breakout for a winner at 10:15 this morning. Okay, next up we have several trades from Tom, and these are all in his live account with the Blue Water software. When it's purple, that is live. So he has a long at 9:55 for a winner, and then another long at 9:56 for a winner. Two quick winners there, and then a trending trade where he really let it run at 11:18 long live for a big winner there. So early in the morning here, he's up a little over $1,000. So what's going on here is you see the HFT algorithms, or the HFT indicator here is saying that the buyers are 90%, or I should say they're 90% on the buy side for sure. And then the trending algorithm is in the trending area, which is green, and so he goes along with the machine learning algorithm as well, gets long, lets it ride, and for a nice winner. Okay, next up is a long at 12:11 for another winner. There's two. He had a scaled in entry and a scaled out. I'm only going to count that as one. So one trade there for winner at 12:11, and then a scalp short. Now this one, he was going with the momentum. We discussed this together in the trading room. So you can see the machine learning algorithm is predicting the market to go down, and saying that the gold bands are the range that it should trade in, and it's bearish on that measurement. Not so much the HFTs. They are falling though, and the trending algo, which is a regime switching algorithm, is coming up back into the green, saying that yes, we have a downward trend. So we went with the trade. Nice short scalp there at 12:38. Next up, he has scales into a couple of longs here at 13:03 for another winner, and he's over $2,000 at this point in his live account. And then his last trade scales into a short here on the way down. You can see the high frequency trader algos are bearish, and the regime switching algos coming up into the green. And machine learning is predicting most of these moves to be down, so he goes short for another winner there. Probably putting him at about $2,500 for the day in his live trading account. Good job, Tom. Okay, now we have Kathleen. She's short at 10:16 for a winner in the sim. Another sim trade long at 11:18 for a winner, and then short at 12:26 for another winner. Very good trading, Kathleen. $600 for her efforts today on the sim, practicing, getting ready to go live. Next up is Paul. One screenshot here. As you can see, once again purple, so it's live. So at 10:15 he goes short in the micro NASDAQ for a winner, and then at 10:22 short again, of course, same chart, micro NASDAQ for another winner in his live account. So thanks for all the trade submissions, guys and gals. Once again, a total of 17 trades, 15 winners, 2 losses, and no break-evens. So if you'd like to join us and join our students and learn how they're getting this done, whether they're on sim or most of the trades today that were submitted to me were live, and you want to know what they're doing and why they actually swear by their indicators instead of swearing at them, well, just contact us through our Facebook page or our website, and we'd be happy to talk to you about it. Until next video, trade well.